Welcome to video tutorials of Mechanismuller. The mono wiper of the Mercedes-Benz in principle is an ingenious mechanism. Rather than using two wipers, this wiper mechanism uses a single wiper. However, being ingenious is not enough reason to use a mechanism in practice. While it seems like an attractive option to have a single wiper, there are also some drawbacks. First, assuming that the motor rotation speeds are the same for both single and double wipers are the same, the speed of wiping a surface with a single wiper takes twice as long than having two wipers. And when it's raining like cats and dogs, the slow response of the single wiper is not acceptable. Second, having a complex mechanism increases the possibility of failure and also the cost of repair. For these reasons, the mono wiper is no longer being used in newer versions of the Mercedes-Benz cars. However, this ingenious mechanism can give us some ideas which could be useful in designing other systems with similar requirements. The simple 4-bar mechanism shown here is not adequate to give us the near 160-degree rotation required by the mono wiper. To achieve the required rotation, we use a complex linkage shown here. When we add the wiper to the system, you can see how it is sweeping 160 degrees. When we add the windshield to the system, you can observe that wiper goes outside of the windshield in the middle. By adding the driver and a passenger to the picture, we can further observe that the wiper is not doing a good job. The field of vision for the occupants of the car is blocked by the area not swept by the wiper. To get the desired wiping, the wiper should retract inward at the middle and expand outward at the outer edges of the windshield as shown by red arrows. There may be a different solution to accomplish the extension and retraction of the wiper at the appropriate places, and adding a crank slider at the bottom of the original wiper base could be one of the solutions. First, we are going to start with 0 length for the attached crank length and gradually increase its length. By incrementally increasing the length of the crank by 5 units a time, we can observe the change of the wiping profile on windshield. Let's start increasing the length of the crank by 5 units. Notice that each increment slowly pulls the wiper inward at the middle, and extends it outward where the passenger's field of vision was blocked. This is the desired effect which we want. We can look at all the possible combinations and settle for a desired length for our crank, which we found to be 40 units for the system shown in here. Now the question is how you can drive the newly added crank slider mechanism. One solution may be the gear system seen here. As you can see, a small red gear is attached to the wiper base, is engaged with a large yellow inner gear. The red gear can make 4 rotations around its axis if it is axis, making 1 complete rotation inside the yellow gear. As you can see, the red gear is swinging back and forth during the operation of the wiper. Since the crank is fixed to the red gear, the wiper is extending and contracting appropriately due to this arrangement. As a final step, let's show the actual linkages rather than their wire form representations. As you can see, the system is an ingenious and elegant mechanism. Thank you for watching our video. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up to our videos.